Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how do you unfollow everyone on TikTok. So firstly, open up your TikTok account. So once I've already logged into your TikTok application here, so what you have to do now is click on the hamburger icon on your top right. So click on it, go to settings and privacy. So once you get to settings and privacy, scroll down and then you'll see an option called report a problem. So click on it. So click on report a problem. Once you've clicked that, next what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and then click on click on account and profile. So once you click on account and profile, next what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and then click on editing profile, and then scroll down again and then click on other. Once you get here, so what you have to do now is you're going to click need more help. All right, and then next here what you have to do is you're going to type in your issue to TikTok, saying please assist with unfollowing or removing my followers, my following list. So yeah, please assist with unfollowing all my following contacts, all my following accounts in my account, so something like that. So I'll let them know, and then all you have to do is click on submit. So this will send your request to TikTok, and hopefully TikTok will look into it and help you remove all your followers, all your following. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.